friend me Dr. Mame Techiwa Bochwe, but don't wanna friend me Dr. MT. Ain't me wo kobia your friend of Hope for Little Lives. Me and ye there. Yeah, for men kai crappy me to make us an very broken. Ain't the ye say ya kwa amanone e wo Ghana. Baby sebi omunibi. Ya kwa ya shankola apomudiemu. Both medical and surgical. Into surgical no enkola omuwo today Henry twa ebia nebema abano ombede mu nefuma no owo Henry ana baby ojo sofa no MBA ye operation free ema won also ye hwehwe nkola into obi oba ni moja ye form ye be medro obowa wo malaria na ya ko schools na ya chomo apomudie niema se ne be ya ubetwitwe osinye emba menstrues woja work one period ye ma sanitary town ye chomo say ya ye use no ye ni omo kasa se ne be ya dachi bi omo be ye nipa mu e wo wiase ye wia na last day no ya ye medical screening ni bi ni ya big party inti ade we ye 2 times in a year ye started 2021 first one ya call wa ya concranza ya call Kwesimentem takrade akra mamo biketa dry yankwanta yendi yako baby bebre na Easter way ya dwe ho de yepede ye che odo ema won awowo Akuapem Mountains enunti na ye ba hanom ye ba Wednesday e be do Wednesday anopa ye share students wo Akuapem man ye che omo ye che obia to brush and a toothpaste and a sanitary towel roll on and a nyama wodi be siesie won hom and from Wednesday ye start to share nkola no ma pomudiem and a Thursday you started your operation at Tete Kwashi Memorial Hospital yeah ninia free first day that's Thursday no your operation bakoma 36 procedures and kola free ya to the next day into yeah about 65 free surgeries in the 2 days yanka ya bebe 150 but cases no one back ebi one thing and o mamba and ebi won't call ade so latte wakoye screen ni bi and then the final day no ye ba hanom say ye san be hwe won apomudiem say say amihia obi enese ni na ye brown indiani hihemu intimede ne konchen and ami yiyi ni niama no areho sem o ka che me say oni to paste oni to brush into ontwitwe ne se intimi yiyi man na me twitwe ne se ma no and mama ni to brush me no and to paste me no and my refer ni say onko hu dentist because ne gam no ko esa ne himia betutu niama say and e mama nichi because akole bia e ho won faso o hwe ye logo na enkola ti se kosia o hwe colors na obi wo ha owo bi oni bi obi wo ha ofi fanti ofi aigbe ofi sanwem ofi ba obia ti se kosia but omo na show mu ya dache omo be star ti said me eno na ye say yes hope for little lives we are in Ghana to make an impact and touch the lives of children so that they'll be able to reach their potential answer na bofre bia be kofie no obenya pomudie ye be show obi o malaria ye be test ya wa test kit wa ha na ya medro obo wa ye be show ya medro o ya okay ya ye be ma di wema ye hu de mo fra bebre wo we chichi omo wo worms enti ye wo di worms ye be ma ebim so wa ha omo hia vitamins ni nya wa ha ye wia ye be ma eduane ya ye fried rice jollof ya ye drink insio obia benye bi ya wo popcorn machine ya ye popcorn ya wo bouncy castle wo be di agro ye be musical chairs ye wia ye di achede baye obi wo ho benya school bag obi wo ho benya mpaboa obi wo ho benya atade obi wo ho benya toy because Easter is all about giving. Jesus died and he gave us salvation, so we are also giving. That's why we are here.